Gita. We always have a good time.
Sure do.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday and happy belated birthday to Gita. I was happily surprised this weekend when I went onto Facebook and I saw her family, very talented family, playing they created a song for you.
They wrote me a song. Yeah. It was the sweetest thing in the world. My husband is a man of many talents. He's one of these people that are so annoying. Anything he tries, he's like good at. And he's really, really musically inclined. And yeah, him and my kids wrote me the funniest song. We laugh a lot in our house and we poke fun at each other. So definitely there was some honest truths in this song.
I had to laugh at the whole moms on Facebook because I'm like, that would be me.
I know, I was like, I'm working. Anyways, but check out my song. I put it actually on my Facebook business page. So check it out, Gita Mungo City Mortgage Group. And I actually uploaded it. My kids were like, we're gonna go viral. So anyway, check it out. It's super cute.
We're gonna help your kids go viral.
Let's do it.
Awesome. That sounds like a fun weekend.
It was really nice. Lots of love. A little bit of work, a little bit of just family time. Good times.
Nice. So interestingly enough, last week the Mortgage Pros Canada released the state of the mortgage market, and we were talking about the stats in the report and how interesting we found some of them.
Specifically, that the majority of people are still going into the banks.
Shocker.
Yeah, right? It's growing. The mortgage broker channel is growing, definitely.
I think Stacey and I touched on it last week as well. We were talking about it's about complacency. You're just used to going to the same place. If it's like if they opened up a grocery store down the street, you're still gonna go to the old grocery store because you're used to it. So just it's interesting how we are so routine that we don't try something new, and oftentimes brokers can do so much more than the bank can. We still need the banks. I'm not saying we don't, but I'm just saying you should give the broker definitely a call.
Absolutely. I have this conversation constantly with people, and for me, it always comes down to service. I used to work at the bank as well, so I can really speak to both sides. And when I used to work at the bank, your interaction with the client ended at the mortgage approval. You'd get them to sign the commitment, and then you'd wish them on their merry way. And you'd call them, just before their mortgage was up for renewal to see, what rate they wanted next.
Yeah. Not the way we do it.
No. For better words, we don't hold your hand, but we do. We oversee the entire transaction. So especially for a first-time home buyer, you have someone that's with you for the entire transaction until you move into the home, and that's really it's about service.
Interesting. They also talked about first-time home buyers, and last year, and we're seeing this trend again this year, a majority of them had 20% down payment. So, we're thinking that a first-time home buyer is going to walk in and buy a house with 5% down. That's not the case. A lot of them actually come with more down payment. Mm-hmm. And I believe the majority of it was personal savings followed by gifts from parents.
Yeah. A lot of parents are utilizing their own properties to, take out a home equity line of credit or a mortgage and give that cash in hand to their kids and let them not have an insured mortgage. So in closing, in Canada, there are just under 10 million homeowners. 60% of those homeowners have mortgages on their property. It's a big market.
It definitely is. But if you want to know more about what's in this report, take a look at Mortgage Pros Canada and look up State of the Mortgage Market. We'll put the link below. And until next week, we hope you have a great week.
Thanks. Bye.
Take care.